Ladies, if you think your man's snoring is coming from his nose, I've got news for you. If your husband snores like mine used to, you've wasted money on mouth guards, strips, mouth tape. Here's what I didn't know. The cause of snoring isn't just in the nose. It mostly starts in the mouth and in the back of the throat. Why? Swollen or collapsed soft tissues inside block the airways. Those gadgets, they're basically band-aids. Then we found SnoreStop. SnoreStop targets the mouth and the back of the throat to help shrink swollen or collapsed soft tissues from the inside and drying nasal mucus so air flows freely and quietly. No vibrations, no chainsaw noises, no elbowing your partner at 2 a.m. That first night, I was like, wait, is he breathing? It was that quiet. We've tried everything over the years, but this was the first time we actually fixed the cause of his snoring. So yeah, after years of sleepless nights, this spray saved my sanity, and it might save yours too. The link is in the product description below.